Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. In today's video, we'll be looking at simplifying logo downloads in Python with a step-by-step guide. Let's say you are like a data collector or you just want to download logos of different businesses out there. There could be a bunch of reasons why you want to do it. Sometimes it can be for writing articles, sometimes it can be for data collection as well. It could also be when you just wanted to go through how different brands have designed their logos while designing your own for your brand. In this article, we'll walk you through a Python script that automates the process of downloading logos from web pages using the power of beautiful Soup library, which is a web scraping library. Before we begin, you need to have these prerequisites. You need to have Python installed in your system. The requests and beautiful Soup library should be installed. It's just a small one-line command to install both of them. Let's say you need like a sample JSON. So what are the two things that you need? The name of the company, which is not actually very important, but when you save this logo, it's easier to save it by the company's name and then underscore logo, right? So in your sample JSON, create this kind of structure with name and the URL of that company's landing page, maybe. Yeah. Now, if you want to automate logo downloads, you need to scrape that website with beautiful soap, see if that page has a logo. If yes, then download that logo, save it with the name of the company. This is all you have to do. This code does exactly that. So the download logo function, which is this one, it sends an HTTP request to get the response from this URL. If the response gives a 200 status code, that is this response, this request was successful, then create a new beautiful soup object with this content and HTML parser. Now look for the logo tag. So the logo tab will look for link and this rel equal to icon, or if there's a shortcut icon. Now, if this logo tag exists in this soup object, then get the logo URL from this. So if this if that is where this logo is hosted on exists and it starts with HTTP or HTTPS, then get that logo URL, like send a get response to get this logo image downloaded. If this was successfully downloaded, that is the status code is 200, then open this path. So there's like the safe path that we have defined at the beginning here before we execute all of this. So what do you have here? Safe path. Let's look for it. Yeah. So it seems like we passed in the safe path already, which is great. So it just opens the safe path in writing mode and writes this content, saves that image and returns a true. And if all of this wasn't true, then it returns a false. So if we look at the complete flow, it starts from here where the JSON file path, we give it as data.json. You can put in your file path, input file path with the names and the URLs. Output folder will be whatever you folder you want to save all of your images to. I created a folder called logos and gave that path, which is in the same directory, so I don't need to provide the complete path. I can just provide the relative path to this file. Download logos from JSON data. So this function download logos from JSON file. takes in the JSON file path and the output folder. So if this output folder doesn't exist already, then make one. Now open the file path, which is our JSON file path, and read all of that data. Now, for each entry in this list of logos, names, and URLs, you get the business name, you get the entry. So this basically saved it as a dictionary. So entries URL. And now you have the logo save path by joining the output folder which you created here, which is logos, and and then the business name, .png. So this is the logo save path. And if the download logo returns a true, that is everything happened correctly and the logo was saved, you print that logo for this business was downloaded and saved, and then the logo path. And if this wasn't the case, then you just print that no logo was found for this business name or failed to download. So that's it. That's all that was there. It This makes your life a lot easier when you have to like bulk download a lot of logos. Not even logos, like if you had to download like a bunch of data, you could make some tweaks in the script and make it work to your whatever you want to do in the web scraping context. To run the script, all you have to do is have a data route JSON. You can create or not create a final directory to store all of your logos in, and save all of the code that was given above in this Python file. To execute it, just type Python logo downloaded.py, and that will do the job. Try it with different websites and see how that works. Let me know in the comments below. That would be great. Right, that was it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, subscribe, like, leave comments. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.